वेलकम बैक टू एभ्रीवन। आज चाहिँ हामी नेटवर्क टोपोलोजीको बारेमा पढ्छौँ। नेटवर्क टोपोलोजी भनेको के हो त नि? यो चाहिँ एउटा के हो, अरेन्जमेन्ट हो, अरेन्जमेन्ट अफ डिभाइसेस जसलाई हामी नोड्स पनि भनिन्छ, अनि कनेक्सन्स जसलाई हामी लिङ्क्स भनिन्छ एउटा कम्प्युटर नेटवर्कमा। सो नेटवर्क टोपोलोजी इज द अरेन्जमेन्ट अफ डिभाइसेस कल्ड नोड्स एन्ड कनेक्सन्स लिङ्क्स इन अ कम्प्युटर नेटवर्क। यसो चाहिँ it shows how computer servers and other devices are connected and how data travels between them. यसै चाहिँ कम्प्युटर सर्भर्स र अरू डिभाइसेसहरू चाहिँ कसरी कनेक्टेड छ अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ डाटा ट्राभल्स कसरी हुन्छ त्यो भन्छ नेटवर्क टोपोलोजीले। यसमा चाहिँ दुई प्रकारका नेटवर्क टोपोलोजी हुन्छ। देयर आर टू टाइप्स अफ नेटवर्क टोपोलोजी। फर्स्टमा छ फिजिकल टोपोलोजी। फिजिकल टोपोलोजी Physical topology. This refers to the actual physical layout, cables, devices, and connections. It's the network. It shows where each device is located and how they are physically connected. यसले चाहिँ each device located and how they are physically connected. यो चाहिँ physically connected कसरी छ physical topologyले भन्छ। Logical topologyले के गर्छ? This describes how data moves across the network regardless of the physical arrangement. This is how data moves across the network regardless of the physical arrangement. It focuses on the flow of information rather than the physical connection. Logical topology केमा फोकस गर्छ? Flow of information. Note case note मा छ choosing the right network topology is important because it affects. हामीले चाहिँ एकदम राइट नेटवर्क टोपोलोजी चाहिँ सिलेक्ट गर्नुपर्छ। किनभने यसले एफेक्ट गर्छ हाम्रो पर्फर्मेन्स, कस्ट, रिलायबिलिटी एन्ड सेक्युरिटी। पर्फर्मेन्स भनेको हाउ फास्ट एन्ड एफिसिएन्टली डाटा क्यान ट्राभल, कस्ट द एक्सपेन्स अफ केबलिङ डिभाइस एन्ड मेन्टेनेन्स, रिलायबिलिटी हाउ रेसिस्टेन्ट द नेटवर्क इज टु फेलर्स, सेक्युरिटी हाउ इजिली डाटा क्यान बी प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रम अनअथोराइज्ड एक्सेस। आज हामी फर्स्ट नेटवर्क टोपोलोजीतिर जाऊँ। यसको टाइप्स हेर्दा बस टोपोलोजी छ। Bus topology is a type of network topology in which all devices are connected to a single main cable called bus or backbone cable. This cable serves as a communication medium. Bus topology में के हुन्छ? सबै डिभाइसेसहरू चाहिँ कनेक्टेड हुन्छ टु अ सिंगल मेन केबल जसलाई हामीले के भन्छ? बस और बैकबोन केबल. This cable serves as a shared communication medium. When a device sends data, जब कुनै डिभाइसले सेन्ड गर्छ डाटा, द डाटा ट्राभल्स अलोङ द बस एन्ड रिचेस अल डिभाइसेस अन द नेटवर्क. इच डिभाइस checks the destination address, MAC or IP address in the data. If the address matches the device, it processes the data. If the address does not match, the device ignores the data. Because all devices are share the same cable, they can simultaneously receive the signal, making communication simple but also dependent on a single backbone cable. Bus topology is a network. It is a bidirectional and multi-point connection, meaning data can travel in both directions along the backbone and multiple devices share the communication medium. Key points case non-robust. If the backbone cable fails, the entire network stops working. Data transmission. Each device checks the destination address, MAC or IP in the data. It processes the data if the address matches and ignores if it does not. Ethernet uses. Bus topology. Ethernet networks use only the CSMA CD, carrier sense multiple access with collision detection protocol for media access. Other protocols like TDMA, CDMA, pure ALOA and slotted ALOA are not used in Ethernet. Cable types says depending on the NIC, the backbone can be coaxial or RJ45 network table. Bus topology is simple, cost effective, but it is vulnerable because of failure in backbone affects the whole network. Key features of bus topology case: a single cable connection huncha. All devices share one central table. Think of it like a bus route where all passengers travel on the same bus. The same bus भनेको चाहिँ cable भयो. Data flow. Data sent by one device travels in both directions along the cable. Only the intended device accepts the data and others that ignore it. Terminators. In the end of the main cable have terminators to stop signal from bouncing back. Without terminators, the network can become unstable. How it works? The main cable bus carries data signals. When a device sends data, it travels along the bus. Every device checks if the data is it for it. If yes, device receives it. If no, device ignores it. Only one device can send data at a time to avoid collisions. Features and characteristics, number of cables, single main cable जसलाई हामीले backbone पनि भनिन्छ. Devices, all devices share the same bus. Data flows in both directions along the bus. है. Terminators, special devices at each end of the cable to stop signal reflection. Cost, इसको cheap and easy to set up. Expansion, adding new devices easy. अनि कोलिजन, मोर डिभाइसेस हायर चान्स अफ डाटा कोलिजन. जति धेरै डिभाइसेस एड गर्यो त्यति धेरै चान्सेस हुन्छ डाटा कोलिजनको. फिचर्स एन्ड क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स, फिचर भन्दा स्ट्रक्चर भन्दा चाहिँ यसको सिङ्गल मेन केबल बस्छ. डाटा ट्रान्समिसन, डाटा ट्राभल्स इन बोथ डिरेक्सन. टर्मिनेटर्स, डिभाइसेस एट द एन्ड, यो चाहिँ माथि सेम भयो. अनि यो चाहिँ यसको फिगर है बस टोपोलोजीको. यो टर्मिनेटर साइडमा दुईवटा टर्मिनेटर छ. यो लाइन चाहिँ ब्याकबोन कोएक्सियल केबल. नोड 1, नोड 2, नोड 3 यो भनेको डिभाइसेस, यो भनेको बस टोपोलोजीको फिगर. अनि यसको एडभान्टेजको कुरा गर्दा चाहिँ यो सिम्पल सेटअप छ. इट इज द इजिएस्ट नेटवर्क टोपोलोजी फर लिनियरली कनेक्टिङ कम्प्युटर्स और पेरिफेरल्स. एफिसिएन्ट फर स्मल नेटवर्क्स, वर्क्स very efficiently when the network has only a few devices. Less cable require less cable than a star topology because all devices share a single backbone. Easy to add or remove devices. Devices can be connected or disconnected without affecting the rest of the network. Cost effective, cheaper compared to other. Easy to understand, simple design makes it easy to learn, install and maintain. Expandable, can be extended by joining two backbone cables together. Cable requirement, only one backbone cable is required to connect and devices. Each device also needs a drop line to connect to the backbone. Common cable types, coaxial or twisted pair cables are used, supporting speeds up to 10 Mbps. Well-known technology, installation or troubleshooting methods are familiar and widely practiced. Media access control, traditional bus Ethernet uses CSMA-CD as the MAC protocol. Modern switches Ethernet does not use CSMA-CD as full duplex operation prevents collision. Disadvantage के छ यसको, not suitable for large networks, work best for small networks. Main cable failure stops the network. If the backbone breaks, the whole network goes down. Troubleshooting is difficult, hard to find problems in individual devices or cables. Network slows down with more devices. Adding devices reduces performance. Needs terminators. Both end of the main cable requires terminators. High chances of collision. Heavy traffic causes data collision. Special protocols CSMA-CD are needed. Packet loss can occur. Signals may get lost or corrupted. Low security. Data on the bus can be easily accessed by all devices. Slower than other topologies. Performance is lower compared to star or mesh networks. Applications, इसको applications क्या था? Local area network topology.